Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this SEO tools platform, which is Searchatlas. So let's get started with the in-depth review about Searchatlas. Searchatlas is a full-featured SEO platform offering tools like keyword tracking, backlink analysis, content grading, site audit, and Google Search Console integration. Its standout features is Otito, an AI assistant that helps you generate optimized content brief and outline. It's designed for agencies, marketers, and SEO professionals who want deep data insight and an all-in-one dashboard for strategy execution. However, users have reported issues with dashboard speed, occasional bug, and power customer support response time. The learning curve can be steep for beginners and price start high, make it a less accessible for smaller teams. And here's a very conclusion about this platform. So the platform simply worth it for experienced SEO teams looking for advanced tools and GSC based insight, but not ideal if you need a fast support and simple UX or lower pricing SEO tools. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this SEO tools platform, and if you find the review helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.